This video will cover the installation and usage of the Turbotec component in VapCyc. In order to access the files inside the zip file for the Turbotec component, we will need to take one extra step before we extract the files. Select the zip file in your File Explorer window, but do not open it yet. Go to Properties, and under the Attributes section of the General tab, click or check the Unblock button. Press Apply, and now you can go back and extract the files normally. Now we are going to copy these files into VapCyc so it can recognize and use the Turbotec component. Go to the VapCyc folder on your computer, and within the User Components folder, create a folder called Turbotec. Now go back to the Installation folder. Go into the VapCyc Component folder and copy the Turbotec VapCyc hx.components and Turbotec VapCyc hx.dll files into your VapCyc Turbotec folder. The Turbotec VapCyc component should now appear on the heat exchanger components list as Turbotec coaxial condensers or evaporators, depending on the type of heat exchanger you choose. Right now, the condenser version of this component is being used. Choosing this component will open an Edit Parameters window that looks like this. The Turbotec component takes in two fluids, the first of which is R410A. Under the Components tab, choose the family and specific type of coil that you want to use. Specify the number of parallel coils. Now select the secondary fluid using the drop-down menu. Enter the flow rate of this inlet fluid in gallons per minute, GPM, and the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. For the number of segments, it is fine to keep this at the default value of 100. Under the Test tab, refrigerant inlet pressure, temperature, and mass flow rate conditions can be specified. Be sure to enter values for the test conditions in the units listed. Clicking the Test button gives you results for heat load, refrigerant side pressure drop, RDP, and water side pressure drop, WDP. For the Turbotec evaporator component, the Test tab allows the additional specification of evaporator inlet pressure. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at support@optimizedthermalsystems.com.